Hello, in this video we're going to be doing Amazon ad campaigns with manual products. Alright, so first you got to go to your Amazon advertising and then you're going to create a campaign. We're going to go to campaign name and you're just going to type in your campaign name. After that you're going to go to start and end date. I'm just going to leave it at no end date. And then for daily budget I'm going to do 5. For targeting we're going to do manual targeting today for products. For campaign bidding strategy we're going to do dynamic bids down only. For ad format, we're going to do standard, and you can also do custom text ad if you like, but today we're going to do standard ad. We're going to do create an ad group, and you're going to just add ad group name. Here for products, you're going to actually look for your product. I looked for my product right here with my ASIN number, so I'm going to just add it in. And here for manual targeting, we're going to do product targeting. Okay, so from here, you want to just make sure that you are doing the right bid. You can do suggested bid, but what I'm going to do custom. And I'm just going to do 0.10. And now you want to do is add some categories. So you can add some of these categories if they are in the correct category for your book. So I see category art therapy and relaxation. That looks correct for my book. I see self-esteem. That looks okay too. So I'm going to add that in. I press search and now you can look for a different category name as well. So let's just type in coloring. So I see more categories here. So I see coloring books for grown-ups. That makes sense. So I put it added. There are coloring books, hair coloring products. I'm going to do coloring books. But see, this is a great example. It says hair coloring products. We're not going to put that in because that doesn't make sense. And now I'm just looking through for any other colorings. I see mandalas and patterns. So that looks good. So I'm going to add that. So once you're done, you're going to go to individual products. And then you're going to go to suggested, and then right here, you're going to press search. And just look for similar products that are in the same category as yours. So for example, I'm just going to search up positive coloring. So here I typed in positive affirmation coloring book. So I'm just going to look for similar products that are just like my product. So here I see one, it says I believe in myself. So that looks similar to my product. I see this one, it says positive affirmations. I see another one right here, it says do amazing things. So you're just basically looking for products that are similar to yours. Now for this one, it says you are amazing, easy, positive affirmation coloring book for kids. The reason why I'm not going to add this one because this one is for kids and mine is mainly targeted for adults. And just keep going until you found as many as you can. Another example is doing inspirational coloring book. And again, just look for books that are similar to yours. Also, you don't have to just do books. You can also do other products that are not books. So I typed in affirmations right here, and I'm just going to look for other products that are not books, but they are related to just affirmations. So I see this one, intelligent change. So I'm going to add that one in. I see really good positive affirmation chips. That is somewhat related to affirmations, so I'm going to type that in. I see these bulletin board posters, so that's okay too. As you can see, I'm just looking for products that are in the same category or topic. So we're going to do affirmation mugs. And again, we have a lot of different affirmation mugs that we can do. So I'm just going to add all these in that are related. And you can kind of see that you can just get more ideas by looking at products. Obviously, we can do affirmation shirts, maybe affirmation bags, or anything else. So you just want to be very creative finding different products that are related to your product. Alright, so once you're done, you're going to press launch campaign.